It's Friday, the second day of the EcoScience Schools Day. Yesterday we had over 300 kids. Right now we've got 200 here, wandering around the garden doing different workshops with solar power, with health, with education, with biodiversity. We've got museum here doing paleontology. We've got Engineers Without Borders here doing engineering and working with water and things that happen around there. We've got kids here from transition all the way up to year 9 and year 10, engaged in awesome activities designed for them to be able to participate and learn and grow. It's just awesome.
We're so lucky to have been invited to an event like this. I think it's critical for student learning to give in an authentic context like this. There are so many different cross-curricular opportunities to be learning here. We've managed to incorporate visual arts. We're talking about literacy and vocabulary. We're talking about maths about the megafauna, when they died and how they've been incorporated into today's ecology, science strands. It's absolutely incredible for the kids.
I've done 2 activities. First one talking about the animals and their habitat and like all the importance of solar and the sun and all that. And the second one about megafauna.
My favourite bit of the day was the megafauna with Dr. Yates, because we got to hold the bones. There was one real bone, but the rest were just replicas of it.
It's like, yep, I'm loving this rainbow, I'm loving it. Right, because the sunscreen's only blocking this. Yep, right, everyone can see this is the proof the super survives.
So we're really lucky to have been given a lot of teaching materials that we've used beforehand, and after this experience we're going to be doing a lot more follow-up as well. It really ties in nicely to things that we've already studied under the Australian curriculum and things that we can use again for afterwards.